In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell online courses in your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a clean course promo section on your site, a course product set up, and the paywall and pricing ready to accept payments. Start by opening your Squarespace website and head to the page where you want to feature your course. Enter the editor by clicking Edit. This lets you change the layout and content of the page in real time. Add a new section to give your course its own space on the page. Choose a blank section so you're working from a clean slate. Inside that new section, add a block. From the block options, select Digital Product. Even though you're creating a course, this option works perfectly for showcasing and linking to your course checkout. It gives you a structured card with a title, description, image, and button. Click into the highlighted areas to customize the content. Replace the placeholder title with your course name and add a concise description that focuses on the outcome students will achieve. Drop in an engaging image or thumbnail that represents the course. If you already have a sales video, you can mention it here in the copy and link the button to your course product once it's created. Switch to the Design tab to fine-tune layout, spacing, and button style so it matches your site's branding. Then use the Content tab to confirm details like the button label and destination. When you're ready to formalize the product, click Get Started. This initiates Squarespace's setup flow for selling digital offerings. Follow the prompts, then choose Save and continue to create the product shell. Now head into your site's selling tools and select Course as the product type. Open the course to access its settings. Here's where you'll manage the essentials that students will see and how they'll enroll. Open the paywall settings to control what's free to preview and what's reserved for paying members. A short preview, like an intro lesson or a course outline, can boost conversions while keeping your core content protected. After reviewing, go back to the main course settings. Next, open pricing plans. Create the plan that matches your model, whether it's a one-time purchase or a subscription. Set a clear price and description so students know exactly what they're getting. Save your changes. Return to your pages, review the section you added, and make sure the button links to the course checkout. Give everything a final proofread, then you're ready to publish and start selling.